The top 3 riders are headed to the podium as the main event comes to an end. While we wait for the celebration to begin, let's check out the final results for tonight's main event. The pace of that race was absolutely crazy. They definitely gave it their all. We've been following his progress all season long. The goal was the 250 championship, and now it's his. A great performance. For Ricky Carmichael, I'm Ralph Shaheen. So long for now. We'll see you next season for another great AMA Supercross and FIM World Championship season.